Today we talk about how can you add business address on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on sort details. So then you come to this list here, then you come to business address. Click in this sign here. Sorry, click in this sign. Then when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you add your billing information, legal business name, and here your country, then address and apartment here, and here postal code, then here your city, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.